Your survey has gone in fairly deep into understanding how women, how millennials, into different categories. So I want to pick these two, women and millennial. Again, the survey indicates while there is improvement, but still the focus in both these categories is more on spending rather than protecting or investing for the future. How do you explain the findings on these two categories?
Yeah, so let me take women first. I think personally, it's actually quite intuitive. In India, it's a cultural situation, right? Ghar Grihasti is where the housewife, it seems sexist comment, but that's the reality, especially in the middle income and the cities. So they've been given traditionally the responsibility of taking care of the family. And the financial burden, or I won't say burden, responsibility or the external responsibility has been with the husband. So if you have husbands and male who are so unaware, imagine what the situation would be of women. Now for us, at least I believe personally that that's the starting point. And because I believe in the fact that business of life insurance is an emotional business. You need to bring in the emotion inside it to make people understand why they need it. And who better than a lady of the house to understand the emotions. I also believe that if education starts with them, then it will be more widespread. As Jawaharlal Nehru once said, you educate a man, you educate an individual, you educate a lady, you educate a family. And that's really what we have to do. The faster curve will come there. So put them on the front path and explain to them why they need. The obvious question of, but you don't earn any money, etc., will come in. Having said that, I believe there's a lot of financial dependence that housewives and women have on themselves, which is about balancing the act, and therefore there is a financial value, even though you may not be earning. So you can put out a value of rupee crores that your value to the family is so much, and hence you need to buy protection and become more aware. So that is on the women's side. It will go on, and our task will be to educate women, most certainly, and they will spread. With regards to millennials, it's very interesting. I was surprised. In fact, we went back and checked the stuff that these people are more aware. So how come the level is lower? But again, true. This is a generation of millennials who have been born post 1980s in the liberalization era. As again, some of us who have actually gone through a bit of a scarcity in the culture, this generation doesn't understand scarcity, and thankfully so. Good as India is progressing. So they don't understand that future can be tough. Now, if you look at the narrative, when in insurance we say take care of your future, it means there's a back entry saying that future is not going to be easy. That's why we take care of it. These guys say, what's wrong with the future? Future will be fine. So the question of should I buy protection? I'm just 25, 30. What are you talking about? Death? Should I do planned retirement? I've just started my working. It's time to enjoy. It's time to enjoy and stay in the present. And I think developed countries are more or less like that itself. So I don't suspect that there will be anything else that they will do. But important enough to teach them that this is the time for them to take care of the future, while health and everything else has improved. Having said that, provide for it right away. This will need a lot of education, and education not when you're 25, 30, but probably get the education into the education system itself while you're in school, colleges. Because it's a financial plan, there's nothing very difficult about it. So this generation will need to be more educated, will need to be made aware of the benefits of investing early and the rest that we all do in the financial plans, and become a bit more responsible, but I think you let them also be. They would like to enjoy life more. So enjoy with responsibility is what the industry should be focusing on. So I don't worry about them. They are very positive people. They will get around it, but we need to make it faster.